Track 115. Unit 6.
The mosque is behind the park. The bakery is next to the shoe shop. The pharmacy is opposite the clothes shop. The bank is between the toy shop and the pharmacy. The fruit and vegetable stall is on Red Street, opposite the butcher's. Excuse me, where's the toy shop? It's on Green Street, next to the bank. Excuse me, I'm lost. Where's the shoe shop? It's on Green Street, between the clothes shop and the bakery. Where was Rahaf at 10:45? She was at the toy shop. Who was at the butcher's at 11 o'clock? Mum was. Where were you at 9 o'clock yesterday morning? I was at school. Would you like to go on the bumper cars? Yes, I would. Would you like to go on the super swing? No, it's too fast. Would you like to see the clowns? Yes, please. They're very funny. What souvenirs did you buy? I bought a mug, a t-shirt, and 3 postcards.